What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about 21 recession-proof businesses. If you are looking for a side hustle or a business that will thrive during the current times, you will find this helpful. What is a recession? It can be defined as a temporary economic decline characterized by a drop in the GDP for 2 consecutive quarters. Effects of a recession in real life. These are the things that are likely to happen in a recession. Interest rates fall. Discretionary spending declines. Consumer confidence decreases. The stock market falls. Unemployment increases. But even then, here are some businesses that can thrive. Rental properties. In the Great Recession, many people lost their homes thanks to foreclosure. However, all of them still had to find another place to live. And so they started renting. Mobile notary services, and this is what I am. I just became a loan signing agent as well. Interest rates decline during recessions and more people refinance. The demand for mobile notaries goes high as a result. Remote freelance service, virtual assistant. Virtual hiring and remote work help companies cut costs to survive. So find a service you can offer remotely. Used clothes. People want to save money during a recession and they turn to thrifting. Try reselling clothes on eBay. Alterations. In an attempt to save money, people opt for alterations. If you know your way around a sewing machine, this could be profitable. Flea market flipping. People looking for quick cash may be in a hurry to sell while others will want to save money by buying used. Online content. This includes a YouTube channel, podcast, or website. Focus on adding value to people and you can make money at the same time. Mobile mechanic. People will still need repairs and maintenance for their cars during a recession. Resume and cover letter writing. With high unemployment rates, job applicants will want their resumes to stand out. Tutoring. Tutor people who are trying to improve their skills or learn new ones. Online courses. Traditional education is expensive for many people. So why not share your knowledge by creating an online course? Land flipping. Many people may want to sell their land for quick money. You can buy from them and resell it. Handy person services, or known as a maintenance man. A recession means hard times. Instead of buying new stuff, more people choose to get handy person services or handyman services. Food and beverage. Look, people will always need to eat and drink something in a recession. It doesn't matter. You could also become a delivery driver. Knife sharpening. I bet you didn't know this one. People will eat out a lot and cook and less cooking at home, believe it or not. Create a knife sharpening business to help them. Childcare. This one will most likely remain an essential business because parents still have to work regardless of recession or not. Bookkeeping and accounting. Business owners tend to pay more attention to their books when things get tough. And they will want the advice of a professional. Commercial cleaning is another one, especially in the COVID-19 era. Commercial and retail settings have to maintain cleanliness at all times. Product licensing. Pitch your smart product ideas to companies. You may land a great deal. Home staging. Professionally staged homes sell faster. So this is something that home sellers will invest in. Storage auction units. Buy storage units on auctions. You never know what you will find. It could be a treasure. Please subscribe to Financial Pro YouTube channel. See you guys next time.